This was a dive that we did one day during lobster season, and guess what? We found some lobsters. So each diver is allowed to take 6 lobsters, and you have to have a fishing and a lobster license. But if you're over 65, you don't have to have either one of them. Cool, right? And so anyway, here's a little lobster on the side of the boiler, which is in the middle of the Delray wreck, and he's kind of running away from me. Here's a bunch of them down in the holes. So there's like 3 holes on there, and they'll hide in there. You can see these guys right here. Look at them. There's 3 of them having a party down there. Little do they know they're going to be lobster dinner later.
That one's legal. That one's definitely legal.
So you have to measure these and make sure that they're legal. Otherwise, you got to throw them back.
Other way, other way. Nice. Perfect. Legal. Very close. Very legal.
This guy, I don't even need to measure. This is an example of
That guy goes back. Let's see you throw him back.
Look at him. He's a half an inch too short.
Good, here we go.
If they're too small, it's back to the ocean with them. So this little guy gets to live to fight another day, and we get him way out there. Bam. Here's a bunch of lobsters on the north end, just kind of piled up next to the wreck. You can see I can get right up on top of them and grab them with my hands. Again, you have to measure every single lobster and make sure that they're of legal size to take. So if you're a fisherman and you're lobstering, try to be a good steward of the ocean and put all your shorts back, because it's just not fair for the little lobsters.
You did the right thing. Excellent job. Saving lobsters' lives. That's my job. All right, so we have a lobster assassination kit. You got your tickler, you got your net that you tickle them into, you got your buoy with your flag because you don't want to get hit by a boat, and then that's what you end up getting if you do that. That's it. That's pretty much how you do it. All right, this is Lobstering 101.
Got yourself a tickle stick. Not everybody can get a custom-made one like this. Tickle the lobster out, walk backwards against the ground, and then you grab one of those.
And that's it.
That's it. Well, you got to measure them then.
And then what do you measure them with?
This caliper.
All right, so if they're, okay, can you show us on one of them?
Yeah.
Okay.
So the front half of the corpus, you put your caliper against the base there, and if it fits over his septum, then it's illegal. If it doesn't, it's legal.
Okay. How to know if a lobster is legal or illegal?
Measure the carapace.
You measure the carapace.
The carapace. I thought that was something you put on toast.
Yeah, you can. But if it fits over, it's illegal. If it doesn't fit over, like it doesn't fit over in between his nose right there, his septum, we'll call it, then he's legal.
That baby is so legal.
Yeah, he's legal.
All right, excellent job, gentlemen. Very good. All right, here comes the master lobster assassination person. He has super long fins. So tell us a little bit about today's hunt.
It's very murky, hard to see where it's going. Every time I came up, I would drift away from the wreck, and then I'd have to find the wreck, and once I found the wreck, I'd be lucky if I found a lobster.
Well, I noticed that you did find some lobsters, so I guess it was a successful day.
It was. Most of the time they were walking, they weren't really up under the wreck. They were just walking around in 2-packs. And
all right, let me ask you this. What's the best way to catch a lobster?
with your teeth.
Oh, they're just sleeping right now, just taking it easy before they have their sauna later in butter. That's a pretty good size one right there.
Yeah. So you just like a little twist.
How to clean lobster. Oh, so sorry.
He's okay. Look, he's walking out of it.
Okay. Walk it off, buddy. Walk it off.
Walk it off. Just
Oh, Jesus Christ. This is so horrible.
Isn't there a lot of meat?
I don't stop it. Don't do it anymore. Don't do it anymore. Shh.
Do you want the bodies?
Isn't there meat in the bottom?
There is, but it's a real pain in the butt to get out. It's not really a
But you
lot.
can make good
I
soup
saw a
with
thing on
it.
YouTube about
Soup?
how to clean a lobster and you get the meat out of the body.
Yeah, I saw that one too.
Did you?
I saw that video.
You made it.
Yeah.
Do it without one.
I don't think there's a special way.
Yeah, there is.
Yeah, they do. Well, never mind. That's already done. So now you're going to take the antenna and push it through the alimentary canal?
No, I just cut it down the middle with a knife. And clean it.
Really? You don't do pull the thing out?
No.
I mean, so what about these poor guys? What are we going to do?
It's a catch and release program. I'm just gonna go ahead and release them.
Release.
Put them back in the water and then they'll be eaten by other fish?
Yeah, it's recycle. Or I can put them in the trash can.
I feel
and then
bad for him, man.
Albert will get really mad at Pat.
All right, he's going to throw those back in the ocean. Oh my God, that was so painful. Oh, that hurt.